Awaken to the Buddha nature of reality. Hey everyone, this is Brendan, and this is just a quick video dream log. And of course, dreams are something super important within this existence, so I encourage anyone to make a video dream log of their own process to help themselves remember, and also to just be able to share some of the peculiarities of the experiences that are equally real and equally have their own present moment as this one. And part of the reason why I'm sharing this dream log is because last night in my dream I had a very interesting experience with Terence McKenna. He was in it. Terence McKenna is a very well-known philosopher, and he passed away a few years ago, back in 2000s, but he very much an advocate of just thinking outside the box, expanding your consciousness, researching the psychedelic experiences and other dimensions of reality and perceptions and entities beyond this realm. But one of the things that happened within my dream, I was going around and I was at a festival. This has happened numerous times within my dreams. It was like a consciousness shifting festival, and some of my friends were there, and there was stuff happening, and I was going around, and then as I was coming back, there was like a presentation going on, and it was happening by Terence McKenna, and I could hear his voice and stuff, and I could hear it through the trees, and I was like, oh cool. And then in my dream I had my camera, so I sort of like tune into this festival, and as I'm like sort of like listening in, I'm just like, oh sweet, like Terence McKenna's here at this festival, this is awesome. And then as I take my camera out and I look through him at the camera in my viewfinder, I realize that what I'm actually seeing isn't actually Terence McKenna, but it's actually a person projecting themselves as like a polymorphic holographic representation of Terence McKenna. So everyone in the presentation who's watching this is seeing Terence McKenna, but I'm actually looking at like Terence McKenna with my eyes, but then in my viewfinder I'm seeing like another person, and it's like a genuine person still. But it's really interesting because, like, I guess for whatever reason, like, the legit essence of Terence McKenna wasn't there, but this person was, like, summoning the awareness and the consciousness of Terence McKenna through this polymorphic representation. So it was like a holographic representation. So there was, like, them, and there was, like, a force field around them that made it look like they were Terence McKenna. And then, like, afterwards, I, like, went up and I was like, oh, I need to get an interview with this person. I need to ask them. And then I was just like talking to them, and I was like, I know, like, it's okay, like, I know you're not actually Terence McKenna or whatever. And then he sort of like morphed into his actual form, but we were smiling about it. And he was like, oh, okay, it's cool. You sort of like know what I'm up to. But he was like doing it as like a tribute to Terence McKenna, and he was still very much, he sounded like him. Terence McKenna has that voice, has that peculiarity to his tonation. So there was other stuff that happened in my dream, but there was just that in particular that I thought was super interesting, and just something that I wanted to share, because Terence McKenna, I know, is a really big sort of influence in a lot of us sort of exploring further within this reality. So that's really all I just wanted to share, because I don't have much room on my hard drive, so I just gotta make this a short video as it is. But of course, if you want to see more of my video dream logs, then comment below, let me know, and I'll continue to dedicate some content